Best easy things to do. How to make a dragon bookmark. For this activity, you will need the following equipment: scrap green card, scrap green paper, scrap orange card, scrap pink card, around a hand's length of string, a glue stick, and scissors. Step 1. Fold the green card in half and copy the drawing shown in the demonstration. As you can see in the demonstration, we draw the rectangle with curved sides. Step 2. Carefully cut out the rectangle. If this is too difficult for you, you can draw the rectangle twice and cut them out separately. Try to keep the two rectangles the same size. Step 3. Draw the pattern on the face of the dragon on the green card, using green felt tip to add the green circles and black felt tip to outline the face carefully. Step 4. Cut out two rectangles from the pink paper, one bigger and the other smaller. The length of the rectangle should be slightly longer than that of the dragon's head. Step 5. Draw the patterns on the pink paper as shown in the demonstration. The zigzag will represent the spikes and the triangle the beard. Step 6. Carefully cut along the pencil lines. Step 7. Stick the pink strip of paper onto the green card with the dragon's face facing downwards. Try and make sure that the spikes are showing at the top of the dragon's head and the triangle is showing underneath the dragon's face like a beard. Trim the edges. If you are not sure where to stick the paper, see the whole demonstration through before sticking down. Step 8. Stick the string in between the dragon's heads as shown in the demonstration. Make sure both dragon heads are facing the same direction. Also, make sure the dragon heads are stuck down firmly together. Step 9. Fold the green paper in half and draw 4 V shapes coming out of the folded edge. The bigger the V shape, the easier it will be to stick down later. Step 10. Cut the V shapes out and attach them to the string carefully, making sure they are firmly attached. Step 11. Fold the orange card in half and draw the trapezium with the shorter parallel edge where the folded edge is, as shown in the demonstration. The bigger the trapezium, the easier it will be to stick down later. Step 12. Cut out the trapezium and stick it onto the end of the string as firmly as possible, as shown in the demonstration. Here is our finished product. The Dragon Bookmark was demonstrated by Rachel Lamb. The video created and edited by Victor Lamb. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Enjoy.